Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're fine. This video is going to show you the 4 different websites where you can book your own Qurbani. Let's move toward the screen. If you are new at my channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. The first website name is QurbaniPro.com. When you will open this website, you will see the notification based on Qurbani mein Asani, and then they will show you the prices also, which is based on the Pakistan and which is showing in the rupees. And when you will see their homepage, very nice homepage, which is showing who we are, our brand, Qurbani Pro online Qurbani service. Then move bottom, and these are their services: online Qurbani, Eid al Adha, which is order now, and online Sadqa, which is coming soon, and online Akika, which you can order now. And you can contact us now. Here you can see the contact us page. Let's look at the online Qurbani just order now. Click, and when you click it, then you will see this page. The next page, you will see the cities, relevant cities, and at the time it is showing only the Rawalpindi and Islamabad, which is located in Pakistan. But this is very good looking and very nice website. Here you can select the areas where these Qurbanis will be held, and I'm going to select the first one, Qurbani type, which type of Qurbani you can do it. The first one is cow bull share is rupees 15,000, and whole bull, which is 1 lakh, and goat, which is at 30,000 rupees, and they're showing the weight of that cows and bulls. I'm going to participate in the cows and bulls. When you will select it, then another share count will be shown. I'm going to select it only one. Here I'm cows share and share name and father name. They are looking for our name and our father name. When you will move towards the next, no, they are not going to the next. I'm going to fill the form first, then click at the next. What they are going to show me, they are going to show that animal is cow and bull share, which is 12 to 14 kg, and amount is this. Share this. Then customer detail, they want the customer detail, full name, phone number, email address, and they need the payment mode, bank transfer. When I will click the bank transfer, order now, then they will need the bank detail also. And here let me add the information. First, then email. Here I'm going to add the email. You can add your own one. Not going to add the address. Just click at the order now. Please enter the address. This is the very required field. This. Now click at the address. Order now. They are saying the order number is this, and please note your order number is deposit, your bill and payment, the account detail, customer care, and they are saying, they are showing us the bank detail, where I will add the fund. This is the account number, IBAN number, the full account name, and they are showing the area. You have 24 hours to confirm your end order, and company will cancel the order. For any query, contact us. Very best and very good looking website this is, and you can see that they are showing the notification here. And let's move toward the second website, which named is myqurbani.com. Let's open that one. When you will click at that website, the layout is not really very good, but let's check how they are working on it. Not good looking it is, but click at that notification where they are showing the Qurbani. Very slow website also, because this is, I think, the JPG file, but this is not opening fast. Let's click it. Qurbani made easy, and then call us website, their number and their website is showing here, but they're not showing is very well mannered that it is it 2020 or is it showing that we are going to see. This is not very good website. Let's move towards the third website, which is eidqurbani.com.bk. It is showing the Pakistan first online cattle market and Bakra, and there also categories are showing on the Bacharia, Andu, Khasi and sheep. The first name, and they are showing the newsletter here, but they are saying that thanks for visiting us. Booking of 2020 Qurbani cattle will begin soon. Nothing is happening at 2020 here, and this is the phone number. We can call them later that what is the situation now and where we can book our Qurbani. This was the third website, and the fourth website, friends, I'm going to show you is not the website. Basically, this is the theme which is using for the Qurbani purpose. I mean cattle farming. We can use it for the cattle farming, livestock farming, and how we can use it. Let's check it there. The layout first. Very slow it is. It is opening very slow. I don't know where the problem is. The theme name is, I think, Jazzy means JASY. Stud farms and stable farms. They are showing the demos also. Homepage demos. And very nice. I think very nice looking website is its theme and products, blogs, pricing, course detail, course, and let's move above. Instructor about us, and can we open one of the demo there and how it is showing. Let's check it. Oh wow, very nice looking, because we cannot board, we don't want to board here, and very nice looking theme it is. Background video is also showing farming for the future, really. And we have 37 years of experience. Very nice looking theme it is. See the gallery here. Upcoming events, recent articles. Let's click at the shop. What is in the shop? At the time in the shop they have apple and carrot, apple and straw, and apple market mix. Let's add to the god one. This first one view got. And in the cart we have now one item. Let's check it. Is it working or not? It is not working because I think this is the demo only, and they're showing that we are adding the cart one item. And let's move toward another theme, which is at the themeforest, and which is also the livestock farming, which is named as cultivation. Cultivation organic food farming WordPress theme named appear is here. This is the cultivation, and here is WordPress theme. They are showing their nice description, nice image, banner image, and there are 4 demos I think. Cultivation, agriculture, dairy farm, Shepherd Farm Vegetable and Coffee. Let's move to the bottom. Fast and friendly sport. And can we open one of them? Which one we are going to open? We are going to open at the dairy farm. How it is looking and how they are working these demos. Very nice loader it is. Here is the appointment button. I think it has also the shop function, cart function. We can appoint it here. About the dairy farm and our products, why we choose us, our gallery, nice images. I think this is the gallery. Let's click it and see it. Yes, it is the gallery. Very nice images. And let's move to the bottom. Our recent posts, our teams. They are showing there are poultry farmers, dairy farmers, poultry farmers, dairy farmers, and latest news is here. Product information, cultivation, and here is the call now, which is, I think this is the Indian number, and this team is based in India, and we can buy it very nicely. These are the full websites, but only the working website which was based in Pakistan, which was the qurbani.com, and very nice working, just simple 2 to 3 steps where you will give the bank detail, where you will give your full information, name, father name, and then they will give you the account number. You will pay him and they will do Qurbani for you. If you are not based in Pakistan, then you can also call us, contact us here. You can see the numbers, you can contact him, and then Qurbani will be made. Hope you like the video, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.